Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yo, damn mafia. You already know what time it is. We're back in the music lab, and today we got another track from I can't say he's a stranger to the channel more because we reacted to him before, but he's new to the channel. Well, it's familiar to the channel. He's not exactly new, but yeah. We're going to continue some more checking out this artist and what I'm talking about Kman 6ixx. And guys, before I jump in the track, I just want to take this time to say yo, I just want to say congratulations guys, y'all made it to another video. And I hope y'all been taking care of yourself. You've been taking care of yourself, you've been drinking your water, you've been staying prayed up, man. I hope so, yo. I hope you've been taking care of yourself and your loved ones. I hope you are striving every day towards your goals. You're staying towards your purpose, and you're making every day count. You know, and we only have one life to live, so we got to make the best of it, man. And I'm happy you're here. You know what I'm saying, to enjoy another video with me. So we're not going to up the vibes much longer. Like I said, this is not really a new artist to the channel. We're getting more familiar with this artist. This is Kman 6ixx, and this track we're checking out today is entitled Dark Side. You don't know, I'm getting more back into my Trini reactions and my other Caribbean islands reactions. You know what I'm saying? It's lacking for a minute, but we on our grind, man. The energy and the vibes there, and we're not gonna stop. 10K, we here we come, bro. 10K for the end of the year. You know what I'm saying, guys? The goal for this video, guys, is 50 likes. So make that happen, Jambisco squad. Make that happen. The goal for this video is 50 likes. Make it happen. I know you can. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man. Today we check out Kman 6ixx, the one entitled Dark Side. We're gonna see what I go on. The last track we check out from Kman 6ixx, Black Rain, was actually a vibe. You know what I'm saying? It was very smooth on the track and everything. Wasn't expecting it. Well, I kind of expected all the Trinidad artists them just smoother, come like a silk them parents. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is Kman 6ixx Dark Side, and we're gonna check it out and see what I go on today. Yeah, see me, without further ado, we're just gonna jump right in the track and we're gonna roll up the vibe much longer. This is Kman 6ixx Dark Side. Let's get it.
Sex, rise, hell. Sex, rise, hell.
Yeah,
Sex, rise, hell.
Yeah, man, I say 6 never die, no. Man, say 6 rise hell.
Fully, sex. Fully, sex. Go, baby. Fully man dark with a two like many. Shot pussy well in the belly. 628 name ring like Sally. How's the ever have a pan belly? Jacob left, was start long.
Man says 6 man fully dark, not 2 like many.
Time me a wait for this. Full high tech rifle, Navy shit. For my murder, we do it. Kill a pussy well 7 when we feel Jewish. Them badness weak, how we see through it.
Well, on there, don't tell me say, yo, this what they did. This is the same video. They shoot the last video on the same day, bro. The last Black Rain was shoot on the same day because it's the same clips, bro. It's the same freaking clips, same block, same clothes, everything, bro. So I'm gonna shoot 2 videos on the same day. That's dope. Man say kill 2 birds with 1 stone, bro. If you check out the last video and check out this video, it's the same day, everything.
Fire like a pussy, what we know it. We do it, tint up it, trail on the 6 down always outside where you feel do it. And them never kill nobody yet. The pussy with him, girl, when the 6 jump out, so we call it down.
They never kill nobody yet. The boy 6 with him girl when the 6 jump over. Says boy there with him girl when the 6 jump over, we call him Romeo and Juliet. So they gonna die together. Can't Romeo and Juliet die together. That's crazy.
We fucking dark like we live in high ground Greenland, man. Ready on the fucking peace. Them don't like we mark of the beast. Everything I run out, jump clip.
So they don't like we mark of the beast. Damn, that's crazy.
Release them beg for please with them Jesus peace. Sex degrees. Place get hot.
Them beg for please with them Jesus peace. Come on.
Like whiskey live. It done that left in the disbelief. Straight head shot now miss your wave. So we just swarm up on them.
Then that dead left them not misbelieve. Straight head shot now on them. Bro, come in. Kman 6ixx, how do you think that?
Shot now done, I'm in the retreat. 6 run the place when the can't see it. And if it is J, man, you won't get delayed.
Yo, man. Man, 6 running around, I don't care who see it. Yo, easy set me here the one again.
And if it is J, man, you won't get delayed. Brother, done, I'm in the retreat. 6 run the place when the can't see it. And if it is J, man, you won't get delayed. Brother, we not hide and seek. G-City
in
in the pretty. Shot pussy, cause we not got pity.
G-City no too pretty, shot pussy, cause we not have pity. Come in, man.
Anytime, anywhere, we not too picky. Your body swell up and smell shitty. Your basement man down flat. AK shot fly through 6-pack. Them drop the white flag and we shoot down.
Boo 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 boo. AK shot fly through 6-pack. I'm tear my youth, easy yourself.
Never kill nobody, them a pussy guns. Your team got that after that. Them a dassy and get the fucking heart attack. Them a no killer, them pussy that's talk a lot. Them a rubber and no care tire. Kill them, hang them, shot pussy and no problem. So we clean up.
No problem round here, man. Now I'm tear, man.
Up in the big friend, 6 run the place the way and them never kill nobody yet. The pussy with him, girl, when the 6 jump out, so we call it Army on Joliet. I saw we fucking dark like we live in a ground Greenland.
Dark like we live in a ground. You see me catch a boy with him girl when the 6 jump out, so we call it Romeo and Juliet. I'm tear, man. Dark like we live in a ground, eh? He's no man. Kman 6ixx, you doing your thing, bro. And this man talking about some crazy stuff. Man thought was on dark, wicked thing, but the man so smooth on the track, bro. Like, that's crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Man ready, fully man dark, we not too like many. Shot pussy wet in the belly. 6 run the 8 name ring like Sally. As you ever have a pandemic. Check left, war start long time, we wait for this. Full high-tech rifle, Navy shit.
I said Draco lift, war start long time, them a wait for this.
For my murder, we do it. Kill a pussy whole 7 when me feel Jewish.
Man said kill a pussy whole 7 from me feel Jewish. Damn, so this is a 7 disc. That's crazy, dawg. That's crazy. 6 versus the 7s. Let's see our word.
We do it in top it. $6 always outside where you feel do it. And them never kill nobody yet. The pussy with them girl when the 6 jump out. So we call it Romeo and Juliet. I saw we fucking dog like living I gon' get like
Easy now, man. Shit. What you mean? Kman 6ixx with another one, Dark Side. Yeah, man, me like the one, the people. That's a real dope track right there. Kman 6ixx, Dark Side. Yeah, man, dog, really dog talented, man. As I told you, no street, we know same talented already. You know same very smooth on the track. You know what I'm saying? These artists nowadays is, you know, crazy. Really smooth track. Look like it's a diss song to the 7 them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we like the one, man. Let me know what else you want me to check out from Kman 6ixx. I'm going to definitely check it out. And what other artists you want me to check out? What other Trini, St. Kitts, whatever Caribbean artists you want me to check out, let me know, man. Whatever dancer, let me know, and I definitely check it out. We don't discriminate over here, you know, of all our people, man. I don't know. Yeah, man, so let me know when you react to next, and I definitely go ahead and check it out. You know what I'm saying? Get it done. You don't know what time it is. And definitely, if I pick yours, you're going to get your shout out as always. You're going to see the comments as always. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, really enjoyed that one. Kman 6ixx, big up yourself. 6 big up on yourself. You know what I'm saying? He's big up on himself. Everybody big up on himself. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.